In the heart of 1990s, a revolution was brewing in the realm of art. The world was on the brink of a technological breakthrough that would forever change the way we perceive and interact with art. In the quiet confines of a university lab, a team of visionaries were toiling away, their minds ablaze with ideas. Led by the charismatic computer scientist, Thomas C. Knight, they were on a mission to create a new form of art, augmented reality art, AR. Imagine, Knight would say, his eyes sparkling with excitement, a world where art isn't confined to a canvas or a frame, but can be experienced in the very air we breathe. The year was 1994. The technology was still in its infancy, but Knight and his team were undeterred. They tinkered, they toiled, and they experimented, their efforts culminating in the creation of the first ever AR artwork. The piece, titled The Virtual Hellenic Temple, was a digital replica of the ancient temple of Aphaea on the island of Aegina, Greece. Viewers donned special glasses, and upon gazing upon the temple, they were transported to a bygone era, standing in the ancient temple, its marble columns casting long, dramatic shadows. The reaction was electrifying. Art enthusiasts, tech aficionados, and the general public were enraptured by this new form of art. They marveled at the intricate details, the lifelike quality, and the immersive experience. The dawn of AR art was not without its critics, however. Some argued that this new medium was a step away from traditional art, a betrayal of the tactile, visceral nature of art. But the proponents of AR art argued that it was a natural evolution, a new way to experience the beauty of the world. In the years that followed, AR art exploded in popularity. Artists from all corners of the globe began to experiment with the medium, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Augmented reality sculptures, paintings, and installations graced the halls of museums, galleries, and public spaces. Today, AR art is a thriving industry, a testament to the power of human creativity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, it is easy to see that the future of art is as boundless as the imagination. The story of augmented reality art is a tale of innovation, of courage, and of the indomitable human spirit. It is a story that reminds us that the only limit to our potential is our own imagination. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, who knows what wonders the future may hold.